Housing numbers for the month of June are out, and according to TREB, the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board, the market is looking very robust with prices on the rise. This is just one example of a home with a pretty hefty price tag. It's on Crawford, north of Dundas downtown. The asking price, $3.6 million.
There are actually a number of houses on this street, on this side, that sold for that price range in February. So the seller is very confident that the market is going to catch up back to where we left off in February. Since June, the real estate market has gained a lot more momentum. And definitely this month, the last couple of weeks, we're seeing a lot of buyers out. There's still not enough inventory.
According to TREB, the average selling price in June jumped 12% over June of 2019. But there are still fewer homes being sold compared to a year ago, so it is very much a seller's market, with as many buyers out there looking, but competing for less inventory.
A lot of people just haven't put their house on the market.
James Dickinson knows this all too well. He and his wife sold their Toronto home in March and have been looking for a new one ever since. They have so far lost out on 3 separate bidding wars. One of them had 16 offers.
You can't go to an open house. You have to make an appointment to see a house. And then, anything that is half decent, you've got a dozen people who are interested in it. So it's just far more competitive on the buying side.
TREB's numbers show 8,700 homes were sold in June, which is down 1.4% from a year ago. But after the number of listings took a nosedive when the pandemic hit, the market appears to be rebounding. Sales in June were up 84% compared to May. Veteran realtor Frank Leo tells me his business is booming, but he also expects there will be some pain to come.
Right now is a fabulous time. Come September, a lot of things could change. We don't know what's going to happen, but there's a lot of government programs in place. Is the government going to continue them indefinitely? Probably not. And so we're going to see a little bit of fallout from that.
Frank Leo told me something else interesting today, and that is if it's tough for your typical home buyer, it's even more difficult if you're hoping for a pool in your new home. You just can't get them, he says. Traditionally, pools are considered a liability for a seller, but thanks to COVID-19 keeping people so close to home, they are in high demand, especially in this punishing heat.